it's me, Janelle, and this is Redefy Decor. And you know what time it is? It's springtime, so that means, hey. Just kidding. It means cleaning, spring cleaning. Let's make an air freshener. It doesn't just smell great and have that wonderful spring feeling to it, but also it's a disinfectant. This will get that March Madness smell, Netflix binging right out of your couch. All right, let's go. So what you need? Cheap, strong vodka. The higher the proof, the better your disinfection it's going to be. Some distilled water, a Dollar Tree spray nozzle. I have multiple colors of it because I like to color code them because I'm very anal. One for the bathroom and like one for everywhere else. And then some essential oils. For the spring, I'm going to do orange and lemongrass to have that nice fresh citrus smell to it instead of florals, because florals seem to aggravate my nose, but orange and lemongrass are great. All right, first step. So when doing this, you always do equal parts vodka to the water. So however much water you put in, the same amount of vodka you're gonna put in. Just for convenience, I'm gonna make 2 cups of this, because that's the max line on this. So therefore, I'm going to put a cup of the distilled water and then a cup of the vodka. And that's about a cup. It's leveling out. That should be about a cup. What is that, like the mandola? Yep, about a cup. Then a cup of vodka. So why vodka? It's unscented. It has those antibacterial and antifungal properties to it. Plus, it doesn't leave any residue behind. So I'm just stirring the water and vodka mixture. So my rule of thumb is for every cup of liquid you use, you want to add some scent to it. Use about 30 drops. And I have 2 cups here, so I'm going to do about 40 drops of my orange and then about 20 drops of my lemongrass, because I really like the orange smell a lot better, but lemongrass will have that earthy tone. And then when you're picking out essential oils, make sure you use the ones that have this, like, don't use directly on skin and please dilute. That's when you know you got the good stuff. When it has this and it's dark bottle, they don't just do glass bottle for the fun of it. It actually does have a functionality of it. So make sure it has like the don't put on directly on skin. That's the good stuff. All right. So yeah, about 40 drops. Now that all the essential oil is in, I'm just going to stir it. You want to stir it real well. I'm going to put it in the spray bottle. For the bathroom, I'll actually make it a little bit stronger. All the smells in there, you know? Just ignore all of this and pretend I made all of that in. But now you know this area is going to be disinfected and it's going to smell wonderful. And that's it. It works. And the great things about these Dollar Tree bottles are that you can do like a stream, like a heavy like, or you can do like a light mist. Like, oh, I'm misting you. Ooh. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll smell you later. Actually, I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. You know the thing. Just do it. All right. Bye. Don't forget to redefine your moment.